everyone, today I like to share this recipe with you. How to make kids fried rice. This is one of my grandchildren's favorites. Use any combination of vegetables you have on hand, fresh or frozen. You can make this with a couple of extra ingredients like chicken, sausage, prawns, or leftover meat, whatever you have in the fridge. This simple fried rice is really nice and very easy to make and healthy too. Let's get started. The ingredients we need: a cold rice, peas, carrots, peel and chop into small pieces, beaten eggs, fresh shallots, diced onions, spring onion, thinly chopped, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, grated ginger, sesame oil, vegetable oil, butter, salt and pepper. Grind garlic and ginger into paste. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Heat the frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the oil. Add the beaten eggs. And scramble them. Remove and set aside. Step 2. Heat the frying pan over high heat. Add the oil. Add the diced onion. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Until the onions translucent. Stir. Add the garlic and ginger paste. Stir until fragrant. Add the chopped carrot. Cook for a few minutes until the carrot tender. After the carrots are tender, I'll put a little bit some butter and stir. Add the rice. And stir. Stir for 2 minutes using the scooping motion to heat the rice evenly, breaking up any rice clumps. Add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, please, keep stirring. I like to use my spatula. Add some salt, black pepper, stir. Add the scrambled eggs. Fried shallot, spring onions, keep stirring. Toast slightly to mix well and heat for 3 minutes until the rice heated through and combined. Put some sesame oil. Let me try. Yes, very nice. And fried rice ready to be served. Enjoy. My grandchildren enjoy the fried rice. Yes, Summer. Do you like fried rice, Summer? Cassidy, you like fried rice? Reggie, what are you doing? Alia? Naya? Good, good. How about Alex?